Alright guys, so today I started my evaluation for a profit target of 3,000. I'm just going to try to keep it simple this time. I'm going to trade MNQ. I'll be trading NQ if I look like I want to risk something. But, I'm going to keep my risk very minimal, and I'm going to try to keep my reward very large. So today was a very down day in the Nasdaq future market, as we can see here. It went down. It's been going down significantly. But today, after the CPI meeting, they had an extreme pop and didn't go too much higher over the open, about 50 points over the open, and then it's dropped drastically, about 300 points. So, if it's dropping drastically and it bottomed out here and it went up about, 300 points from here, I figure, I could at least get a 100-point bounce or 50, something short of that. So, they repeat history. That's what I'm looking for in the futures market. So, got to the computer late. Took my first entry right here at about 315. Could have got out over here in the 20s, but I was going for a little bit more of a move. Chose to just let my trailing stop do its thing and not bother it. Got me out there with a little bit less than 10 points. So I chose to buy it again in the 90s down here because this would be a very small risk to reward ratio. So boom, went up there. I was like, you know what, I'm going to definitely protect if it goes above the solid dollar mark, which is 13,900, and continue to fall back below the level again, just in case they want to bottom out some more at the end of the day. But I protected my profits. Wasn't going to let a winning trade turn into a losing trade, so I got out of it, waited for my setup again. So it dipped down into the 90s, and I seen volume pick up here along this time, and this was a pretty significant bounce in here, and I watched it on my Thinkorswim, which you can't see on my other screen, and I assume that it was, this is probably more than likely a bounce and time to cover shorts, because it was just a battle right in here. There was a lot of orders being processed, but eventually ended up popping and ended up getting about a 30-some point move. I think it's about 32 points. Yeah, so I got a 32-point move. I was really trying to get on in the 50s, but I do have a automatic trailing stop as to where I don't have to think about it. It's automatic right in here. And so, could have got some more 50s right here. But as you can see, it went down there in the 20s. So I was definitely okay with locking in profit down in the 50s because, as we see previously, it dropped over 70 points. And I did not want to be part of that 70-point drop unless I was shorting. So, quick days, I was looking for 75 to 80 bucks. Ended up ending the day with $88. So 88.50 within less than a half hour work. Can't get mad at it. So we'll be back on tomorrow. See you guys. Peace and love.